In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to limit interfaces for specific users in Airtable. This is really useful when you want to make sure that only certain people can see or interact with a particular interface, while everyone else is kept out. Maybe you have sensitive data or just a workflow that only a specific team should use. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click to control that access. First, open your Airtable workspace and go to the base where your interface lives. In this example, it's called Untitled Base, Imported Table, but in your account, it will probably have a more descriptive name. The key thing is that you're in the correct base because interfaces are tied to a specific base. Once you're in the base, look towards the top of the screen for the Interfaces option. Depending on your layout, this might be in the header or in a menu, but it will be labeled Interfaces. Click on that. This will open up the section where all interfaces connected to this base are listed. Here, you should see any existing interfaces that have already been created. We're going to work with one of those existing interfaces. Find the interface you want to control access for and click on it to open it. At this point, you're looking at the interface editor or the main view for that interface. Within this interface, we're interested in the sharing and access settings. Look for the option related to sharing. In this case, there is a specific control called Restrict Interface Sharing. Click on that option. When you open the Restrict Sharing settings, Airtable will give you controls to limit who can access this interface. From here, you can choose to make it available only to specific users or groups, rather than everyone who has access to the base. This is the crucial step for limiting the interface to particular people. Take a moment to review who currently has access and adjust those settings based on your needs. As you configure this, think about the roles of your collaborators. For example, you might allow editors or certain team members to use this interface while keeping it hidden from viewers or external collaborators. Once you're happy with your choices, confirm and save your changes. That's all you need to do to restrict an Airtable interface to specific users. By carefully managing these sharing settings, you keep your workflows organized and your data accessible only to the right people.